Let's migrate this live site to our local development environment. As you can see, our local site is empty. To get started, select your active site and then select your destination site. Then click Start Migration. Once we've set up your active site, we will wait for your migration to complete. Let's view the migrated site. Now we can go and make changes to the local version, but first let's add some pages. Once the pages have been added, we'll change the navigation and the primary button link. Replace the image and update the hero text. And now we can save our changes. The changes have been made in our local development environment. Let's go ahead and deploy this to life. We will select our sites, click Start Migration, and wait for the migration to be completed. Click Open Site, and our local changes have been deployed to live.